Hey, I'm Jason.
I'm Alex.
And we are going to talk about dogs today.
This is Rudy.
Actually, we're going to be talking about recovery kits. We've got a couple different options for you, but Sam brought his dog into the office today, so we figured we'd give Rudy a shout out. Let's get started. The best products and best service from people who care and love what they do. OK4WD Drive, outfitting vehicles since 1979. Okay, so we've got three different kits we're going to be talking about. We're going to kind of start from the basic on the full-on pro kit. This is a pretty good kit for what you would need if you want to kind of get yourself started and have some of the basic, bits and pieces for your vehicle. Right here, this is a kinetic strap, right? So kinetic means that it's going to stretch and give energy back to the strap so you can actually assist yourself in pulling vehicles out, sticky situations. This is generally good keeping your vehicle at all times, regardless if it's winter or summertime. You never know when you're going to be driving down the road and you may need to be pulled out, or you may need to pull somebody else out. So in order to connect this to your vehicle, typically there are toe points and anchor points, but we do recommend using these hitch links from Factor 55. It's a great solution and a great anchor point for a soft shackle. And these soft shackles are from Bubba Rope, right? This is the Next Gen Pro Gator Jaw by Bubba Rope. It's a synthetic shackle, which means it's made out of rope, right? It's easy, it's pliable, and as we can show you here, it fits right through the hitch link and provides a really good anchor point for hooking up a snatch strap.
All right, so next on the list we have ARB Small Recovery Bag. It's a nice small size, compact, everything you need, similar to what Jason was showing you guys before. We got a set of nice leather gloves. We have also a tree saver. So if you're doing a self-extraction with a winch, you'll want to put this around your tree, because if you put a wire from a winch around a tree, you'll cut the tree and you could theoretically kill the tree over time. We also have another kinetic rope right here. We also have ARB's D-shackles here. They are steel. They're a little heavier than the synthetic ones that Jason was showing us earlier, just as strong. They do the job just fine. We also have ARB snatch block here. So this will actually double your pulling capacity from your winch, which is also really nice. And we also have a shoulder strap for the bag. So if your buddy gets stuck down the trail and you got to hike back to your car for your recovery kit to pull them out, you got that. The bag's also really nice. It's definitely weatherproof. It's got some nice buckles on it, some reflective. So if you're pulling your buddy out at night, you're gonna be able to find your bag and get all your stuff back in your truck when you're getting back on the trail. You can also use this bag as a winch line dampener. If you put your winch line through here, this would drop your line to the ground. For a size comparison of how big this bag really is, it's about a Rudy size. Are you ready for this one, Jason?
Yeah, it's heavy. All right, let's open this thing up and see what's inside, Alex.
So similar to the ARB kit that you see, you're gonna have multiple straps that do multiple things.
Yeah. So this is actually the recovery strap itself. This is a kinetic strap as well. We're not going to take it out of plastic here, but as you can see, it's a 30-foot, 4-inch strap. So this is a big one.
Yep. Next, we got a winch extension.
Yeah, winch extension, obviously for extending your winch. This is not a kinetic strap here. This one is 4 inches by 30 feet.
We have a tree saver.
We do have a tree saver here. This is a 10-foot tree saver here as well.
And then on top of recovery gear, we have some kind of like pre-trail maintenance stuff. Obviously, we got a pair of gloves.
Very nice mechanics gloves, yep.
Yeah, AAV provides you with a tire deflator with this kit, which is super nice.
Nice.
These guys are insane.
These are insane. So these are probably rated, eight and a half ton shackles.
Yeah, so I think what they went for with this kit is that this is going to work for every weight vehicle, from a full-size truck to
3/4 ton
Jeeps.
to 1-ton truck or something like that. So yeah, these are beefy here.
And AAV snatch block as well.
Yeah, I like the finish on these too. So I don't know, it's just kind of a raw finish on these. Very durable, very simple. This feels a little bit lighter than the ARB shackle.
So AAV's bag is super nice. It doesn't have quite like the waterproofing like we saw in the ARB one, but it's a little bit more organizable with all these extra pockets, so you can kind of, oh, my tire deflator's in the front left. You know where your stuff is all the time, rather than being piled on top of each other.
Yeah, I think that this bag actually has, some metal guides in here to kind of keep it structured. Mm-hmm. The ARB bag was just structured as it is, so you just kind of drop everything in. So this is kind of that tool bag, soft shell tool bag type of fit and finish.
You're gonna have to find kind of a a different spot where you would store this compared to the ARB bag, just because it is quite a big footprint.
Yeah. Let's get Rudy and see how big this thing actually is. Definitely a little bit bigger.
It's about 2.5 Rudies.
Yeah, about 2.5 Rudies. All right, Alex, that wraps up about all 3 kits, right?
Yeah, that kind of covers everything from building your own kit from scratch all the way to everything in one bag.
Absolutely. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel for more, and smash that bell for notifications. We'll see you next time.